So, next is alphabet naman numbers. What letter is this? What letter?
Apple.
Apple is for?
Apple.
A, apple. This one. What letter is this? What letter is this?
B. Ball.
Ball. Very good. Letter B. This one? Cat. Letter?
T.
Letter C. Very good. Yeah. This one, what letter is this? Oh. Meow. What letter is this? Letter D. What is the sound of duck? Oh, what is the sound of duck? Oh, eyes. D is for duck. E. This one, what letter? What letter? E is for elephant. Very good. This one, what letter is this? Letter? What letter? What letter nga? What? F. Very good. Fish. Ito, what letter is this? Ito. Oh, G. Gift. Louder para marinig nila. And then, ito, letter. What letter? Huh? H. Horse. Very good. This one. What letter is this? This one. Uy. Oh, ito muna. Ito muna. Oh. Ito muna. Ice. Ice cream. This one. Letter?
Juice.
J. Juice. Very good. This one. What letter? K. Key. Very good. This one. What letter is this?
Lion.
Huh?
Lion.
What? Letter?
Lion.
Lion. L. Lion. Not Mayon. Lion.
Lion.
Letter?
N.
L. Very good. This one. What letter is this? Oh, ito. What letter is this? Uy. What letter? What letter? Oo, lagi. What letter? What letter is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. This one. What letter is this?
Monkey.
Oh, this one.
Nest.
Nest. Letter?
Nest.
N. Nest. And this one. What letter? Oh.
Orange.
Oh, orange. Very good. This one. What letter is this?
Pear.
P. Pearl. Very good. Oh, pear para. This one is?
Mango.
This one. What letter is this? What letter? Ito na muna. Oh. What letter? Louder. Q. Quail. Q. Quail. Very good. Quail. This one. What letter is this? R. Then? R. Rose. Very good. This one. What letter? S is for? S is for? What letter is this? What letter? Uy, what letter? Sun is for? S. Sun is for S. This one, what letter? T. Tiger. Very good. How about this one? What letter is this? Ito, what letter? Tingin na muna dito. Tingin na muna. U. Umbrella. This one, what letter? V. Vegetable. Very good. This one, what letter? W. Watch. Very good. How about this one? What letter is this? Oh, ito. This one, what letter? X. Xylophone. Very good. This one. What letter? Huh?
White.
Y is for?
Duck.
Y. Yak. Very good. This one, last letter. What letter is this?
Zebra.
Z, zebra! Yay! Clap your hands. A round of applause for Matthew. Hi! Hi na sa kanila. Hi! Thank you for watching. Hello guys. Thank you for watching our salamat sa panonood ng videos namin ni Matthew. Videos, long form, and then reels. Sinubukan ko lang si Matthew. Baka kasi nakalimutan niya kasi mga ilang buwan na rin na hindi kami nakapag-aral or nag-perform. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye na sa kanila. Bye! Wave na hi. Bye. Huy. Tingin na dito.
Bye.
Wave like this.
Bye.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Flying kiss pa. Flying kiss. Thank you for watching. Say
Bye. Bye.
bye-bye.